Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can kick or ban someone in Among Us. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, it should be in simple Among Us, and then click here on chat, and then you're gonna select the kick and ban here, right? And then you will have a person that you can simply ban or kick, and this is how we do it. So again, you are in game and you are owner of the server, and you want to click on the computer and leave it like B, click on the chat, and then you're gonna select the option to kick or ban someone. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Goodbye.